Well, the plan today is to do a little maintenance on the beehives again. This first hive is a hive that I split off about 3 weeks ago, and I want to get in there and just to see if they've hatched out a new queen and see if she's laying eggs and if everything looks good in there. And then the next hive to it was one that I captured the other day. It was the one that swarmed that I captured. I want to get in there and look at it real quick and just to see what's going on also. It's a little windy today and I kind of wanted to hold off to a calm day, but it's supposed to start raining over the next couple of days, and just won't have an opportunity to do this. So I figured today is as good a time as any, so just come along, see how it goes. First thing I want to do is give them a little smoke to calm them down. I'm not sure if you can see this with the sunlight like this, but it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they're partially drawing out this 9th frame. So it looks like a lot of good activity here. I'll pull a couple of frames just to see if there's an active queen. Just give them a little smoke on the top, get them in a good mood. It looks pretty good. What you're seeing is you're seeing honey at the top. That's capped honey, and then the cells in the middle are brood, and there's also some pollen in there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a few frames of pollen. You can't really see the larvae because they're so small, but if you look carefully, you can actually see some eggs, which is kind of cool. Hopefully this will show up. Same thing on the other side. We got honey and we got brood, which is a good sign. Same thing here. So as best as I can tell, there's an active queen in this hive. Let's check one more frame and we'll put them back. I think with this hive, because it's drawn out so good, I'm going to probably put a honey super on it. I've got a couple of honey supers ready to go, and the purpose of the honey super is to allow the bees to expand and store their excess honey away from the brood. So we'll do that after we shut it up. And this is the honey super, and really all it is it's another hive body that's shallower, and it's got shallower frames, and these are all empty with wax coated plastic. And so this will give the bees a place to store their extra honey away from the brood chamber, which is kind of what you want to do. Plus, this is where we'll harvest the honey, not this year for this hive, but next year. Same routine, give them a little smoke. This is the hive that I captured. This is absolutely full of bees. This one's going to need to have a super too. I think every single one of these frames are drawn out, so it's definitely due. Trimming up some of this burr comb, clogging up the hive. And I'll just do a quick inspection. Excellent. See, this hive is farther along than the other hive, and you can see that they've actually capped the brood, which means that they're getting close to hatching out. And you always want to see this layer of capped honey at the top, and then the brood in the center. That's an excellent pattern, excellent distribution, and it's a sign of a good active queen. I really don't think I need to check any more of these because I'm really liking what I see on this hive. So I'm just going to shut it up and put a honey super on it, and I'm done.